So this is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. So see how we kind of just went down the line and then we're heading out. This big chunk of 1 right here is all 5. And then we're going to jump back to the middle. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down and out to the top of the pons, which is this big fat structure here. We'll talk about that in a little bit too. And then we're going to start at the base of the pons back in the center. So at the center we have 6, 7, and 8. 7 here is split into 2. Ours is just 1, so don't worry about that extra nerve that you see right there. It's just 6, 7, 8. Working our way down now, goes 9, 10, 11. So 11 is this very long, skinny one right here. And then 12 jumps back up to the center. All right? So now let's go through these on the model. So as you've probably noticed, the hemispheres are symmetrical, so don't let that throw you off. You can get these from just looking at one side. And as I mentioned, they're in white, but not everything in white is going to be a cranial nerve. Okay, so for example, this little nubbin here is something else. That's not a cranial nerve. So on our models, I think it's that same statement is true, so just be wary of that. So here we have 1, again, that nice long one. Kind of looks like a 1, 2, doesn't it? Then at the base of that we have 2, into the middle actually 3, so we'll go down for 3, then out for 4 and 5, back to the center for 6, 7, and 8, then we'll work our way down for 9 and 10. This is the dividing line between 9 and 10, okay? It's usually a very small chipped mark like that, but they do look very similar. Then 11. These are both 11, okay? Everything past 10 is 11. Sometimes you see it broken up like this, sometimes you see it all as 1. Doesn't matter, it's always 11. And then 12 is back up on top, kind of closer to 9 and 10. Okay? Now for the names of these, you can find some really funny or some really sexually suggestive and dirty mnemonics. So I will give you a G-rated one,